This is how creators are making recurring income that grows every single month without launching new products, chasing new clients, or constantly creating viral content. They built a paid audience, a group of people who pay them directly every month in exchange for exclusive, valuable content delivered straight to their inbox. No algorithm dependency, no platform risk, no unpredictable income. Just a growing list of subscribers paying a fixed monthly fee for content they genuinely want. I built mine using AI. And today I am showing you the complete step-by-step system so you can do the same thing starting this week. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What a paid newsletter actually is. A paid newsletter is a subscription where readers pay a monthly or annual fee to receive exclusive content from you directly in their inbox. They are not following you on a platform that can change its algorithm overnight. They are paying you directly for access to your thinking, your research, and your insights. Substack is the most popular platform for paid newsletters. It is completely free to use. Substack only takes a 10% cut when you start charging. You keep 90% of every subscription payment. 100 paid subscribers at $10 per month is $1,000 per month. 500 subscribers is $5,000 per month. All recurring. All predictable. All yours regardless of what any social media platform decides to do tomorrow. The key to building this is consistent, valuable content and a clear reason why your specific perspective is worth paying for. AI makes producing that content fast enough to maintain consistently without burning out. Step 1. Choose your niche and positioning. The most successful paid newsletters are not about everything. They are about one specific topic delivered with a distinctive voice and perspective that readers cannot get anywhere else for free. Open Claude and tell it your areas of knowledge, your professional background, and your genuine interests. Ask Claude to suggest 10 paid newsletter niche ideas that have strong subscriber potential, clear monetization beyond subscriptions, and an audience willing to pay for premium insights. Read through the suggestions. Pick the one that feels most authentic to you. Authenticity matters in a paid newsletter more than in almost any other content format because subscribers are paying for your specific perspective, not just general information on a topic. Then ask Claude to help you define your positioning statement. This is one sentence that explains who you write for, what you cover, and why your take is different from everything else available. This positioning statement goes in your newsletter header, your Substack bio, and every piece of promotional content you create. Step 2. Set up your Substack in 1 hour. Go to Substack and create your account. Choose a newsletter name that is simple, memorable, and clearly related to your niche. Write a compelling description of what subscribers receive and why they should pay for it. Ask Claude to write your complete Substack about page. Give it your niche, your positioning statement, and 3 specific reasons why your newsletter is worth paying for. Claude produces a polished, compelling about page in under a minute. Set your pricing. $10 per month or $100 per year is the standard starting point for most beginner paid newsletters. Annual subscribers pay less per month but give you more predictable cash flow. Offer both options. Start with a free tier. Offer 2 free issues per month and keep the remaining issues behind the paid wall. This lets potential subscribers experience your writing quality before committing to pay. Free subscribers who enjoy your content convert to paid at a meaningful rate over time. Design a simple, clean header image for your newsletter in Canva. Keep it professional and consistent with your niche aesthetic. Step 3. Create your content system with Claude. Consistency is everything in newsletter publishing. Missing issues kills subscriber trust faster than almost anything else. Ask Claude to design a weekly newsletter template for your niche. A strong structure has 5 sections. An opening personal insight. The main feature, a deep dive on one specific idea or strategy. A curated resources section with 3 recommendations. A quick, actionable tip. And a closing question that invites replies. This template means you never start from a blank page. You fill the same 5 sections every week with fresh content. Ask Claude to generate your first 4 newsletter issues using this template. Give it your niche, your positioning, and the topics you want to cover. Claude produces complete drafts in minutes. Add your personal voice, specific examples, and genuine opinions. The human layer is what makes a paid newsletter worth paying for. Send on the same day and time every single week. Consistency trains subscribers to expect and look forward to your arrival in their inbox. Step 4. Build your subscriber base. A great newsletter with no subscribers earns nothing. Growing your list is an ongoing daily activity that compounds over time. Your YouTube channel is your most powerful acquisition tool. Mention your newsletter in every video. Tell viewers what exclusive content paid subscribers receive. Include your Substack link in every video description. A well-placed mention in a high-performing video can bring dozens of new subscribers in a single day. Ask Claude to write a 30-second newsletter promotion script for the end of every YouTube video. Make it specific about the exclusive value paid subscribers receive rather than a generic call to action. Share excerpts from each newsletter issue on Twitter and LinkedIn. Post one key insight as a standalone post. End with a link to the full issue on Substack. Readers who find the excerpt valuable will click through and subscribe. Launch with a founding subscriber discount to create urgency and reward early supporters. Ask Claude to write your launch announcement for every platform. Step 5. Monetize beyond subscriptions. Subscription revenue is just the beginning. An engaged newsletter audience opens multiple additional income streams. Sponsorships pay newsletter creators between $200 and $2,000 per issue, depending on subscriber count and niche. Once you reach 500 subscribers, start approaching relevant brands for sponsorship conversations. Affiliate links embedded naturally within your content earn commissions every time a subscriber clicks and purchases. Newsletter audiences convert at a higher rate than almost any other traffic source because of the deep trust already established. Your own digital products promoted to your list convert exceptionally well. A subscriber paying $10 per month for your insights will readily pay $47 for a comprehensive guide or course from the same trusted source. Your action plan starting today. Choose your niche and write your positioning statement with Claude. Set up Substack and write your About page with Claude. Design your 5-section weekly template. Write your first 4 issues with Claude. Launch with a founding subscriber offer. Promote daily on YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Add sponsorships and affiliate links as your list grows. A paid newsletter built consistently is one of the most reliable recurring income streams available to any creator. What topic would your paid newsletter cover? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear path to building recurring income, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.